If you find English movies difficult to understand, you're not alone. Most of my students have this problem, and it's not because your English is bad. It's just because you have to train your ears differently. In today's video, I'm going to teach you why you can't understand English movies and how you can work on fixing that so, in the future, you'll be able to watch American, British, Canadian, or Australian movies, whatever you want, and understand native speakers. Now, if you can't understand English movies, here's why. Native speakers speak fast, but it's not just about speaking fast. When we speak quickly, we combine words together. This is called connected speech. If you're not familiar with connected speech, you'll find it difficult to understand fast-spoken English. For example, look at this sentence, "Whatcha doing?" It actually means, "What are you doing?" Or this one, "I gotta go." It means, "I've got to go. I need to leave." So, the first step to understanding fast-spoken English is to realize that connected speech is one of the main reasons you can't understand native speakers. What you learned in school or from textbooks is not always how native speakers speak in real life. Start identifying these connected speech patterns. One way to learn this is by watching movies with subtitles. If you can see the words on the screen and hear them at the same time, your brain will start connecting how words sound with how they are written. If you want to improve your English by watching movies, there are 4 levels. The first level is listening in your native language with English subtitles. The second level is listening in English with subtitles in your native language. The third level is listening in English with English subtitles. And the fourth, most difficult level is listening in English without subtitles. Even if you're not at level 3 or 4 yet, that's okay. Everyone has to start somewhere. Using subtitles in your native language or in English is perfectly fine. It can help you build confidence step by step until you reach the level where you no longer need them. However, you have to be careful. Subtitles aren't always bad, but you don't want to become dependent on them. They are there to help you reach the point where you can understand spoken English without them. In real-life conversations, there are no subtitles. You have to learn to walk before you can run. Another common problem is that people listen for individual words instead of the general meaning. Native speakers speak quickly, but a big part of the problem is vocabulary. When you hear a word you don't understand, you stop and try to figure it out, but the conversation is already moving forward. That's why you feel stuck. The real issue is not always listening, it's vocabulary. So, expanding your vocabulary is very important. It will help you understand more and avoid getting stuck when watching movies or having conversations. Now, what are the best movies to learn English? Honestly, there is no best movie. You need to watch something you actually enjoy. If you're bored, you won't focus, and you won't improve. Choose a genre you like: romance, action, history, or suspense. Watch something you would normally enjoy in your native language, but in English. Learning a language is not about forcing yourself to do things you don't like. It's about doing what you already enjoy, but in English. So, whatever type of movie you enjoy is good enough. Keep watching, keep practicing, and over time, it will become easier to understand native speakers. I hope you found this helpful. Keep learning, stay consistent, and you will improve.